How to view your bank statement on Capitec app. Start by heading over to your application Capitec. Once you're in this page, you need to log into your account, so tap on Sign In. Select your account and tap on Get Started. Once done, tap on Continue. You will have to follow the on-screen process and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, the next thing you want to do is tap on the three dot at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the menu section, you need to head over to Email Statement. Select this to receive a PDF version of your statement. And then set the date range. You can pick a present period or even a year. So choose the date range according to your need. Once done, enter your email address. Provide your email address and then hit on Send. Capitec will email you the statement, stamped digitally and ready to download. So that's how you will be able to view the statement on Capitec app. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.